Okay, so now simple interest. In simple interest, the formula which is using is I equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100, where I is what? Interest paid. This P is actually the principal, the amount of money that you invested or borrowed. So this P is actually the principal, the lump sum money, the amount of money that you invested or borrowed. That this R is actually the interest rate annually. So annual interest rate is R, and where the T is time in year. Time in year. So if any of the numerical, if the time is given in month, you have to convert it into year first. The important thing in simple interest formula is, my simple interest formula is what? This is interest paid after a year. This is what? P is the principal money that you invested or borrowed. R is the interest rate annually, and this T is time in year, divided this value by 100. So this is the formula of simple interest. But many of the book give simple interest formula is only PRT, like this. This is also formula most frequent book is using. So I recommend you that you use this formula. There is a reason behind. Because when you use this formula and you learn this formula, you can put your R value as it is. What is the meaning? Means R value as it is. For example, suppose if the principal that you invested or borrow is suppose 1000, my P value is $1000, and your interest rate annually is suppose given to you 20%, and the time in year is given to you, let 3 years given to you, and you have to find out simple interest. What is the simple interest on this amount with this rate and this time? So when you use this formula, so you can put P value is 1000, okay, your R value is 20 as it is, and T value is 3, divide this value by 100. Now this 2020 gone, this is 200 multiplied by 3, so it comes $600. So your simple interest that you earn is $600 by this formula, where you need not to change your rate of interest. Okay, so this is very easy to calculate. Okay, very easy to calculate and easy to remember as well. What happened in this case? Suppose if you want to use this PRT, so in this case first you have to convert this R into decimal. So first you convert this 20%, 20 divided by 100, and use this 0.2. So instead of R, you put your simple interest is P is 100, and then R in decimal form 0.2, and then time, which is 3. You'll get the same result, but every time first you convert this R into decimal first. So I recommend you, advise you that you use this formula and learn this formula, so that you can put this R value as it is given in the numerical. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the simple interest. So this is simple formula. Now simple interest is calculated by this formula also, but here the interest rate written as decimal form. So you have first forced to convert the R value into decimal first. The other important why I recommend you to learn this formula, there is a reason is, the second reason is, for any competitive exam, suppose if you want to calculate simple interest, your P value is 1000, your R value is suppose 20, and your suppose R value is given to you 9, and T is given to you suppose 7, and divided by 100. So in this case you can cut this 100 with this, means you can relate your 100 with P value. But here if you go with this formula, you only have option that you divide this R by 100 only. Okay, so you have option, you can suppose if T value is 10, so you can relate this 100 with 10 also. You can cut this 0 with this, or you can relate it with this. So you have a choice in while taking calculation. You can relate your 100 with either P, either R or T to make your calculation simpler. So that is the reason I am saying that you use this formula. Simple interest formula is what that you have to learn is PRT by 100. Okay, so this is the formula of simple interest, that is which is important. Okay, now find the interest earned. Ray has, I'm going to solve this. Ray has $750 in saving account that pays 3% simple interest. How much interest will he earn in 4 years? So in my simple interest formula, which is PRT by 100, your P value is the amount of money that you invested or borrow, and that is $750, which is written over here. 3% simple interest. So rate is given to you 3%. If this interest rate is not specifically mentioned that it is quarterly or a half yearly, because there is no anything written over here that this is quarterly or half yearly, so it means that you treated this is yearly rate is given to you. If nothing is mentioned, it means it is automatically considered as yearly. And your time value is given to you in year, 4 years. Okay, then what is my simple interest? P value you put as it is 750, R value is 3 as it is, you put divide by 4 divide by 100. So the 2530, this is 4 times 4 times gone, 33 is a 90. What in dollar? So your simple interest, the interest that you earn is $90. Okay, how many of you got this point? Please raise your hand. Okay, good, very good, excellent batch, lower your hand, everyone lower your hand. Shashank and Wagusa also, yes. Now try, look at this. So this is what, $90 in 4 years. Okay, now try this one, this is for you. Find the interest paid. Corey borrows rupees, and write your answer on chat box only. Okay, because you are not able to speak, so write your answer on chat box. Corey borrows $1,200 from the bank for a riding lawnmower. The interest rate is 8% per year. How much simple interest will he pay if he takes 2 years to repay the loan? Use chat box for your answer. Good. Vranda $192. Vishal, Shashank, good. Tenjin, Gauri, Varun and Tushar. Shaima also. Good. Divyanshu 192. Gulam 192. Vaishnavi 192. Lovely 192. Vishnu. Very good. Excellent. So here the Corey, the principal amount is $1,200. Very good. The rate is given per year 8%, and the time in year, it is mentioned in year, need not to convert to year. Fine. Now what will be my simple interest then? My simple interest is PRT by 100. P value is 1200, 8% and 2 years. Divide this value by 100. This 2020 gone. 12 8 is a 96 and 96 2 is a 192 in dollar. So 192 is the simple interest that you need to pay after 2 years. Okay, very good. Well done class. Now I am moving to the third question. Take a screenshot if anyone want. Otherwise I move. Okay, now so this is the solution. Corey have to pay $1 and $2 in 2 years. Try this one. Kate Banks offered 4% simple interest on her deposit. She has $1,500 to invest. How much interest will she earn in 30 months? Please be careful, dear. Be careful. Here the time is given in month and your standard unit of time is in year. So first you convert this 30 months into year and then proceed. Please try this one. And write your responses on chat box. Tangent 192, Snelly 192. Last question. Yohanba 193, Nidan 150, Ayush 150, and Gulam 150, Vaishnavi 150, Vishal, Tangent, Gauri, Divyanshu, Tushar, Ahmad, Suhail, Branda 150, Shashank Singh also. Well done, class. Very good. So now the solution. It is simple interest. Rate is 4%. She invested principal amount $1,500. Time is 30 months. Dear, everyone know in 1 year there are 12 months. So if I divide this value by 12 months, it is converted into year. Month gone, it comes 6 2s are 6 5s are 5.2 means 2.5 year. Okay, now you have the standard unit with you. Annual rate of return, principal amount that you invested, and the time in year. Now I can apply this formula. Simple interest equal to what? PRT by 100. Principal is 1500, R is 4%, and time is 2.5 years, sir. Divide this value by 100, 2020 gone. 15 6 are, so 15 4s are 60, 2.5, and 25 6 are 150. Carry 1 0 and place a decimal. So simple interest is what? Is $150. Well done. Very good. Excellent batch. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. Please give me a reply by raising your hand. Are you getting all these questions? Yes, please raise your hand, everyone. Those who not raise your hand, be treated as they are not on the screen. It means that you are not on the screen. Tushar, Roshan, Mohammed, Mrityunjay, Naitik and Saurabh. Where are you? Yes. Tushar, Roshan, Mohammed, Naitik and Saurabh. Either you raise your hand or reply to me. Naitik is here, okay. Tushar, Vishnu, Roshan, Mohammed and Saurabh. Tushar, Vishnu, Roshan. Vishnu. Tushar, Roshan, Mohammed and Saurabh. Mohammed is here. Tushar, Roshan and Saurabh. Okay. Everyone lower your hand, please. Thank you so much, guy. Thank you so much. Load on your hand, please. Now try this one. This is 30 months, $150. Okay, now try this one. This question, this one. If you invested $200 in an account that paid simple interest, find how long you did need to leave it in at 4% rate to make the earned dollar is 10%. Please try to understand this question. Here you have to find out the time. That means 3 parameter given to you. This is P is given to you, R is given to you, and this is simple interest value is given to you. So out of 4 parameter, PRT by 100, SI is given to you, P is given to you, R is given to you. You have to find out the time. You have to find out the time. Okay. Hello. सर मैं अभी क्या बोलते क्लास बस अभी मेरी खत्म होने वाली है, उसके बाद मैं बना दूंगा. एक्चुअल में मेरे पास डेटा ही नहीं था. मेरे यार अभी बात हुई सुबह सुबह, उनका फोन आया तो मैंने कहा डेटा तो भेज दो पहले आप मुझे, किस पे बनाना है. तो उन्होंने फोटो भेजा है मुझे अभी मैडम ने, और वो जीमेल भी कर दिया. लेकिन मुझे क्लास लगी हुई थी, अभी खत्म हो जाएगी 12:20 पे. उसके बाद मैं बना के 1 बजे तक भेज दूंगा. ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर. हाँ सर, वो मिल गया था, मेल मिल गया था. वो मुझे मैं बनाकर ही भेज दूंगा. आधे घंटे बस मुझे दीजिए, बस क्लास के बाद.
एक बार तुमको दिखा देना भेजे.
ठीक है सर. ठीक है. ओके सर. ओके सर. Oh, well done. Tangent 1.25 here, Vranda 1.25, Taru 1.25, Nidan is same, Lovely is same, Shashank 1.25, Vishnu 1.25, Gauri, Vaishnavi and Tushar. Divyanshu also. Well done. Very good. Sineli 1.25. Good. Wog Gusau 1.2. Ayush Kaushik 145 months. Your time must be in year. If you divide this value, Ayush, if you divide this value by 12, you will get 9 year, dear. Wagusal, lower your hand, please. If you have any doubt, could I unmuted you? Okay, thank you. If any of the time, if you have any doubt, you raise your hand. I'll allow you to speak. Don't worry. 15 months. Sorry. Okay. So this is what my formula is. This one. So I is 10. P is 200. R is 4%. And T you need to find out, divide by 100. Cross multiply, then you will get 1000. And if you multiply this value, what you will get 200, 5 times gone, and T is equal to what? 5 by 4. So if you divide this value, you will get 1.25 year. 1.25 year. It means 1 year 3 months or 15 months, you can say. So this is the right answer. Okay. This is the first question. So first question answer is 1.2. Dear everyone, please drop your pen and look at the screen. Drop your pen and look at the screen. Everyone, look at the screen. Alison charged $30 handbag on her credit card. It means this amount is borrowed, not invested. Try to understand this. $30 is borrowed, not invested. How much money would she pay after 6 months? So your P value which she borrowed is $30. Credit card. Rate of return is, the charge rate is what? Interest rate is 8%. And the time is 6 months. Be alert. It is in month converted into year first. So 6 divided by 12. If you cut this value, you will get 0.5 year. So now you have PRT in standard form. Now what is SI? Your simple interest is what? PRT by 100. That means P is $30. R is 8. T is 0.5. Divide this value by 100. This one gone. So this is what? 24 5s are 120. So it comes 120 place decimal 10, it comes $1.2. But this is not asking she borrowed this $30. Now after 6 months, how much she pay? So $30 what she borrowed plus the interest 1.2, it comes $31.2. Please listen carefully. If you borrowed 1000 rupees from me, if I'm giving you 1000 rupees at the rate of 10%, so after 1 year you have to return only 100 rupees, the 10% of 1000, or 1100. The answer is 1100 because you borrow from me 1000 rupees with 10% rate for 1 year, so interest rate is 100 only. So you taking me for 1000 rupees but return only 100 rupees, that is wrong. So you have to return the principal amount plus interest that I charge to you. Okay, so this question is not invested, this question is borrowed. Okay, so $30 plus the interest that you have to return. You got it? Yes or no? Tell me, raise your hand. Okay, very good. Lower your hand, please. Thank you. Now try the second question. So many reply already I have. Second answer will be Ahmed Suhail said 283.5, Gauri 283.5, Varun 750, Vishnu 283.5. Okay, look at the screen. Look at the screen. I'm going to solve this. Okay, so this is the answer is 283.5 is the correct. This one 31. But how you can solve this? What simple interest formula? I am applying directly PRT by 100. Your principal amount is what? 1800 multiplied by R is what? 5.25. 5.25 multiply this value by 3 year divided by 100, gone. 18 3s are 54 multiply by 5.25. So use calculator. 54 multiply by 5.25 and you will get 283.5. Okay, mention how much interest will he earn, how much interest will he earn, because this money is invested here, this money is invested. Okay, so rupees 283.5, not borrowed money. I hope this simple problem based on simple interest is clear to everyone.